Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Arts International Preschool. In this video, I am going to share with you some activities which will improve eye-hand coordination in toddlers or in preschoolers. We might have seen some kids are writing like this, which will not fall in the line, instead of like this. And some kids are having trouble while tracing, it will go like this and they won't be able to trace properly a letter. So these all are the problem with eye-hand coordination. In this video, I will show you some activities which improves their eye-hand coordination. Eye-hand coordination is an important gross motor skill that children develop during the early years. In this, a child's hand and eyes work together to perform tasks. Sometimes these tasks need to be done with speed and accuracy, such as when catching a ball. Here are some examples of hand-eye coordination. That is, when hands and eyes work together to complete the task. A baby grasping an object. A baby grasping an object needs eye and hand coordination. Batting the ball in the game of cricket. Tying your shoelaces, writing sentences, and so on. Hand-eye coordination is not only we required to perform our daily task, and it is also important for playing sports and learning to read and write at school level. The development of hand-eye coordination is a process that occurs naturally while children are playing. Engage your child in specific outdoor games such as balancing on beam, kicking the ball, etc. These all outdoor games increases the eye and hand coordination in kids. In this video, I am going to show you some indoor activities which improves the eye and hand coordination in children. First activity is throwing and catching the ball. Throwing and catching the ball. Ball activities are the best way to develop a child's eye-hand coordination. Use different balls, different sized balls, and throwing and catching smaller balls. See, a smaller ball like this. Throwing and catching a smaller ball like this require more advanced skills. Now, the second activity is threading and lacing. Threading means you can use a pipe cleaner and ask them to use a chain of pasta using this pipe cleaner. For performing this task, they require eye and hand coordination. So that after completing this, they are very happy to show you that, Mama, I made a chain of pasta like this. Right? For this will improve their eye and hand coordination. And lacing. See, lacing kind of stuff, it is easily available in market. For performing lacing, see. 1 minute. Yeah. See, for lacing, they need to put the stick inside the hole and pull it. What activity is required here? Eye and hand. They need to see and do the works with hand. Eye and hand coordination. So threading and lacing are the very important activities for improving their eye-hand coordinations. And third activity, puzzles. Puzzles are one of the best activities for developing skills such as fine motor skills, shape recognition, which will come under prima concept, problem solving, logic attention, and of course hand-eye coordination. Puzzles, so we need to remove and ask them to make the butterfly. So they need to observe different shape. Okay, it is so long, it will come here, yeah, and here. So they will identify the each up down curves and all, and they will try to put them in correct places. See, if I show how to arrange all puzzles, it will take long time. In order to avoid, I am just showing some pieces, like see how to do that. So these puzzles are also play an important role in developing the all skills what I said now. And cutting and sticking. Cutting and sticking is also very important for them to improve their hand-eye coordination. Just give your child different types of paper such as newspaper, tissue paper and let them to cut into shapes or strips. Learning to cut with scissors is a great way to build hand-eye coordination at young age. You can give them glue also. Please give them glue so that they can stick the shapes what they cut or the flower what they cut in their activity book. See, like this, while cutting, see, they need to do the hand-eye coordination. Hand-eye coordination. You can cut like this. Yes. And they can put it in their activity. See, we have already cut this and we can ask them to stick in your activity pages. You can give them glue so that they can stick like this. So this activity, cutting with scissors, pasting it, all will help them to build eye-hand coordination as well as all the fine motor skills all the skills what I told before. Now drawing, please give your children enough drawing books. Your children should be spending time for drawing every day. This basic activity builds eye-hand coordination. So then other activity is the fingerprinting like this. See, we can ask them to dip their thumb in yellow and make the family of chick by printing like this. So this all requires eye and hand coordination and as well as it improves the fine motor skills. See, while pressing the small hands muscles are moving, right? So it increases fine motor skills also. That is the fingerprinting. And the next one is building blocks. Yeah, definitely. Some kids are doing very well in making lot of shapes using building blocks. See, like this. So all these kind of things increases the eye-hand coordination. Building blocks, playing with building blocks. Please encourage them to play with all kind of stuffs what I explained. Now, the next one is egg and spoon race. It's a simple game to play with your child and I'm sure that they will enjoy this game to the core. It is a great balancing activity for young kids. Don't forget to boil the egg first. See, what you need to do is you need to boil the egg first and give them a spoon. Okay, and we are going to put the boiled egg on the spoon and ask them to work with that. It's a balancing activity, right? So apart from this, we have some kind of Montessori activities that will improve eye-hand coordination. See, it's dry pouring, wet pouring. These all will increase the eye-hand coordination. I will show you what is the dry pouring. So we can give them the cereals like this and give them a small spoon so that they can hold. Smaller than this. I don't have that smaller spoon with me right now. So you can ask them to pour like this. See, they will do like this. See, they won't do this kind of perfection. It will spill here and there, but don't worry, don't scold them. See, this is wet pouring. And what is, this is dry pouring and what is wet pouring? See, this is wet pouring. See, take 2 glasses and half glass, fill the glass with half water and ask them to pour it. See, you need to teach them how to hold a cup using 3 fingers. So we are writing also with these 3 fingers called tripod grip. So it increases the hand-eye coordination as well as it develops the tripod grip for writing. See, like this, you need to pour. This is wet pouring and the previous one which I have shown is dry pouring. See, it's very easy, right? And I'm sure these all activities kids will enjoy to do that because we are giving different activities. See, I'm not asking you to give all the activities which I have shown in one day. Do it different day, different day. You also might be having a lot of ideas than this, right? Make it in practice. And sometimes children have problems with poor coordination related to vision or motor control. Look out for following signs: clumsiness, frustration. Look out for the following signs like clumsiness, frustration, holding things too close their eyes, and do not show any kind of interest in doing all activities, so that they avoid activities. If you suspect your child has difficulties with hand-eye coordination, speak to a pediatrician or ophthalmologist or optometrist. Thank you so much for watching video. This is our Arts International Preschool YouTube channel. Our August batch is open for the admission, and you can enroll your child for the free section. If you have any clarification, I am available in the below number. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.